Action words. Action words, also known as verbs, are words that describe an action, occurrence, or state of being. They indicate what the subject of a sentence is doing or experiencing. For example, in the sentence, she runs in the park. Runs is the action word that tells us what the subject she is doing. Walk, talk, dance, eat, drink, sing, cry, hand, shake, clap, hug, write, sink, jump, carry, push, pull, fall, play, paint, throw, swim, cook, ride, laugh, sleep, read, sneeze, hand, wash, exercise. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.